Hi everyone, I'm Gabby and today I want to show you the YesWelder. This is a gasless 110 volt flux core wire welder. This welder, it is extremely easy to use, and to be honest, I kind of prefer the gasless one. It is so much easier. And don't underestimate this little guy. It does a wonderful job at welding. You have 4 modes within this machine. Number 1 is stick, TIG, and then you have 2 different thicknesses for flex core wire. You have 30 and 35. Also, you can regulate the voltage, and what I really like about this one is that you have a little display right here that tells you everything you need to know. And how cute is this little window? This welder, it is extremely easy to load it up. You have a compartment right here on the side where you're gonna load your wire, and you have a different attachment for the different kind of weldings that you can do within one machine. This is actually my second gasless welder that I've bought. And what I truly love about this one, different to the other model that I have, is that it doesn't have an adapter to connect it to your power. It is just straight 110. And of course, you have an operator manual where you have all the information that you may need for the welder, including how to properly load the wire into the machine, an extended troubleshooting guide, so if you have any issues you can totally go troubleshoot it yourself, and even you have how to properly install each one of the different modes that you can use. I'm telling you, this welder, it is great. You can adjust to weld different thicknesses. It is extremely portable. It has a beautiful size. It is not heavy at all. We've been working with this welder for a little bit over 3-4 months, and I am completely in love with it. It is super easy to use. So if you are looking for a new welder, I really recommend you to check the FLUX-135. It works really well. You can do from big to small jobs. You can do different kinds of welding all with one machine. And it's gasless, so you do not have to worry about the dangers of having a gas welding machine. So definitely check it out. You're not gonna be disappointed.